Hi everybody. So in this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about what Honors Introduction to Philosophy is going to look like. So that's Philosophy 105. So what's really exciting and different about this class is that instead of reading philosophers from the past, which is what is often the case in Intro to Philosophy, in this class, we're going to be learning about philosophy by reading and actually interacting with and talking to prominent philosophers who are living and working today. So in the class, we're going to be reading 4 books by 4 different contemporary philosophers, all of whom have agreed to come in virtually and talk with our class. So we're going to read each book, and then you'll have the chance to come up with questions. We'll work together to come up with questions, and then the philosopher will come meet with us, and you'll get to ask the questions and talk to them about their process of, thinking through the particular topics and writing the book and anything else that you want to ask them about. So I'm still in the process of picking all the books yet, so I can't tell you what they all are just yet. But I have, I'm pretty sure about 2 of them, so I'll tell you really quickly about those. So one of them is this one, which is by Thi Nguyen, and it's called Games, Agency as Art. And so Nguyen writes about the philosophy of games, what makes something a game, what makes a game a work of art, some problems with gamification and things like that. So if you're interested in games, we're going to be doing a whole unit on the philosophy of games. And then the second book that I'm pretty sure we're going to be reading is called Against Purity, and it's by Alexis Shotwell. And so her book is about ethics and a new approach to ethics, where we recognize that a place of purity in an ethical sense is impossible. And she looks specifically a lot at our environmental choices and the kind of implications for how we make ethical decisions when we're living in a state of what she would call contamination. So my goal in picking the books that I pick is going to be to try to pick a diversity of topics and points of view and different kinds of methods, so you can get a kind of sense of the range of what philosophers are doing today. And like I said, right, the idea is to introduce you to philosophy as it is, as a living discipline, by talking with real life, living philosophers. So if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, I definitely recommend that you sign up for this class.